The incredible transformation of MetLife Stadium for the 2026 FIFA World Cup final. Imagine a stadium built for American football suddenly becoming the center of the world's biggest sporting event. In just a few months, MetLife Stadium in New Jersey will host the final match of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, a tournament unlike any before it, featuring 48 national teams and 104 matches across North America. But here's the surprising truth. MetLife Stadium was never designed for soccer. Everything about this massive venue was built for the NFL. From the field dimensions to the seating layout, the stadium was created specifically for American football. Yet, FIFA selected it to host the most important match in world football. So, how can a football stadium become a World Cup stadium? Let's find out. Located in East Rutherford, New Jersey, just outside New York City, MetLife Stadium is one of the largest sports venues in the United States. It can hold more than 82,000 spectators and serves as the home of the New York Giants and New York Jets. Construction began in 2007 and was completed in 2010 at a cost of approximately $1.6 billion. For years, the stadium successfully hosted NFL games, concerts, and major entertainment events. But when FIFA announced that the 2026 World Cup final would be played here, engineers faced a major challenge. The first problem was the field itself. Soccer requires a wider playing surface than American football. FIFA's regulations demand specific field dimensions, but MetLife's original layout left very little room around the edges. To solve this issue, engineers had to redesign parts of the stadium's lower seating sections. Thousands of seats near the field were removed to create additional space. Several concrete structures were modified, allowing the field to expand to FIFA's required dimensions. But that wasn't the only challenge. The stadium's playing surface was artificial turf, which is commonly used in the NFL. However, FIFA required natural grass for World Cup matches. Installing natural grass inside a stadium designed for artificial turf is a massive engineering project. Experts developed a specialized grass system capable of surviving heavy use while maintaining world-class playing conditions. The transformation didn't stop there. Broadcast positions, media facilities, security systems, and player areas all needed upgrades to meet FIFA's strict standards. Additional infrastructure was added to support thousands of journalists, broadcasters, and officials arriving from around the world. Even crowd management systems were improved to handle the enormous number of fans expected for the World Cup final. By the time the tournament begins, MetLife Stadium will look very different from the NFL venue fans are familiar with today. What was once a stadium built exclusively for American football is being transformed into a global football arena capable of hosting the biggest match on earth. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is expected to be the largest World Cup in history, and billions of viewers will watch as two nations battle for football's ultimate prize. And when that final whistle blows, MetLife Stadium will become part of football history forever. From an NFL stadium to the home of the World Cup final, this incredible transformation proves that with enough engineering, planning, and innovation, even the most specialized stadium can be reinvented for the world's biggest sporting event. The countdown to 2026 has already begun.